Here's a Whirlpool washer that was leaking. So I already removed the gasket, and there was a hole found in the gasket that was leaking and dripping out from here. So here's the two gaskets. Now we're gonna replace it. So here's the old one, and here's the hole, and here's the new one. It's gonna be installed on this washer. Always double check that there's no holes from the factory, because that can happen sometimes. And usually these hole happens if the washer is overloaded and this is shaking too much, and then it hits the tub, and then a lot of pointy things here that can make a hole in the gasket. So there's the drain pump. Not the best location to service at all, but luckily we're here just for the gasket.